Assalamu alaikum students. This is week number 12 of the course Software Project Management. We will start the chapter number 9, which is Human Resource Management. In the previous lecture, we studied what is project quality management and what is quality management processes and what are the basic tools to manage quality. So today we will focus on the importance of human resource management and what is the project human resource management, what are the important keys or factors to managing people, and how to develop the human resource plan. So first we will see that what is the importance of human resource management. Many corporate executives have said people are our most important asset. So the most important strength behind any practice are the people. So people are the persons which determine the success and the failure of organizations and projects. In order to make any organization a successful organization, this is important to have the right, skillful, experienced human resources. Many project managers agree that managing human resources effectively is one of the toughest challenge they face. In order to manage the human resource by the project managers is one of the biggest and hardest challenge to meet. Project human resource management is a vital component of project management. Like other resource management key process areas, the project human resources is one of the important component or part of a project management process, especially in the IT field, in which qualified people are often hard to find and keep. In order to make an IT project or a product a successful product or project, it is necessary to have the right, skillful, qualified people or the human resource. And to find such qualified people, it is difficult process. So next we will see that what is project human resource management. Human resource management includes all project stakeholders, sponsors, customers, project team members, support staff, suppliers, supporting the project, and so on. So in order to manage the human resource, we need to manage the sponsors, the customers, the project team members, the supporting staff, the suppliers, supporting to the project, and so on. Basically, they are all the stakeholders, and to managing the stakeholders is basically called human resource management. So we can say human resource management is a practice or a process of recruiting, hiring, deploying, and managing organizations' employees. Human resource management is often referred to simply as human resources or HR. Human resource management includes the following 4 processes. So in in order to manage the human resources, we need to follow the four main processes. Number 1, planning human resource management. Number 2, acquiring the project team. Number 3, developing the project team. And number 4, managing the project team. Planning human resource management involves identifying and documenting project roles, responsibilities, and reporting relationships. The main output of this process is a human resource plan. In order to plan the human resource management, we need to identify and document different roles and responsibilities which needs to be documented in a resource plan documentation. So, the main output of this process will be a human resource plan which will contain all the roles and responsibilities of all those key tasks which the different peoples have to perform. Number 2, acquiring the project team. It involves assigning the needed personnel to work on the project. Key outputs of this process are project staff assignments, resource calendars, and project management plan updates. So the next thing after identification of the roles and responsibilities in order to manage and implement a project, the next step that we have to perform is basically assigning the needed personnel to the work on the project. In order to perform the key project activities, we need specific skilled and experienced persons. So assignment of those persons to different work items is basically called acquiring the project team. So the key outputs of these processes are project staff assignments, resource calendars, and project management plan updates. So the key outputs of these particular processes will be the particular staff assignment to the project items, the resource calendar. What is a resource calendar? It is a calendar that is used to reflect specific working hours, vacations, leaves of absence, and planned personal time for individual resources. A resource calendar is basically reflects the working and non-working times for individual resources. And the next output of acquiring the project team will be a project management plan update. So, the first process of human resource management was the planning human resource management, in which we have identified the key roles and responsibilities in order to perform different project tasks. Next, we assigned the needed personnel to different work items of the project. So the third main process of human resource management is developing the project team. It involves building individual and group skills to enhance the project performance. In order to polish the individual skills to enhance the performance, we need to develop the project team skills. Team building skills are often a challenge to many project managers. So it is the most important challenge which our project manager will face in this entire process. So the main output for the processes are team performance assessments and enterprise environmental factors updates. So the main output of this particular process is basically the assessment of the performance of different team members. In order to judge the skills of the persons, we need to perform assessments. And this particular step will be conducted under developing the project team process.